Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Ag1 versus Huel. We'll break down their core ingredients, nutritional profiles, and how they fit into different lifestyles to help you decide which supplement best suits your needs. Understanding their distinct benefits is key to choosing the right one for your personal health goals. Let's dive into what makes each product unique and how they can support your well-being. Ag1, formerly known as Athletic Greens, is a daily foundational nutrition supplement. It's packed with a blend of vitamins, minerals, probiotics, and adaptogens, all designed to support your gut health, immune system, and energy levels. Many users find it a convenient way to ensure they're getting a wide array of micronutrients, especially on busy days. It's not a meal replacement, but rather a powerful nutritional boost. Huel, short for human fuel, is engineered to be a complete meal replacement. It offers a precise balance of protein, carbohydrates, fats, and all 27 essential vitamins and minerals your body needs. Whether you choose their powders, ready-to-drink bottles, or hot and savory meals, Huel aims to provide convenient, sustainable nutrition. It's ideal for those seeking quick, balanced meals or managing calorie intake effectively. Deciding between Ag1 and Huel depends entirely on your personal health objectives. If your primary goal is to boost your daily micronutrient intake, support gut health, and enhance overall vitality, Ag1 is likely your best choice. However, if you're looking for a convenient, balanced, and complete meal solution, Huel stands out. Consider your lifestyle and dietary needs to make the best decision. And for staying hydrated, check out the Oala water bottle link in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.